Dear children, let us continue the chapter Surface Areas and Volume. Now let us continue the second exercise of that chapter. Fifth question. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which is sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. See the shape of the vessel, that is in the shape of inverted cone. Vessel is in the form of inverted cone and its height is given. What is that? Height is equals to 8 cm and the radius of its top is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim. Completely it is filled with the water. Lead shots, each of which is sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel. Then what happens? 1/4 of the water flows out. What we have to find out? We have to find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. First you get the volume of the water in the conical vessel. That is nothing but the volume of the conical vessels. Amount of water in the volume of the water in the conical vessel is equals to the volume of the conical vessel. Now you first find the volume of the conical vessel. After that, find the volume of the lead, volume of each lead. And you know that amount of water displaced or volume of the water flows out is equals to the volume of the lead shot. So get the volume of the water flows out, that is the 1/4 of the volume of the cone. So if you got the 1/4 of the volume of the cone, that becomes the volume of the water flows out. That is equals to the total volume of the all lead shots which is dropped into the vessel. That divided by volume of each lead shot gives the number of lead shots. So you write the solution. Write for conical vessel, which is in the inverted form, conical vessel, you write height equals 8 cm and radius is radius is 5 cm, r equals 5 cm, and you find the volume of the water, that is equals to the volume of the vessel which is in the form of inverted cone, right? Volume of water in the vessel equals what? Volume of conical vessel. Conical vessel. So find the volume of cone first. Volume of cone. You know what is the volume of the formula to find the volume of the cone? That is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone equals 1/3 pi r square h. Then 1/3 into pi value is 22/7 into r square is 5 into 5. H is 8 cm. So write 8 only. Then that becomes in the denominator 3 into 7 and you write numerator as it is. So consider that is the first, that is the volume of the cone, that is the volume of the water in the vessel, and amount of water displaced, volume of the water displaced, volume of water displaced is how much? 1/4 of the water. 1/4 of the volume of the water in the vessel, that is 1/4 into 22 into 5 into 5 into 8 by 3 into 7. Then if you want, you can divide 4 ones are 4 twos are, then it is 22 into 5 into 5 into 2 by 3 into 7. So consider this is second. That is volume of water displaced. That is 1/4 the volume of the cone. 1/4 the volume of the water in the cone. Next, what you have to find out? Find the volume of each lead shot. Then you write for lead shot. What is given here? That is the radius is given. You take r equals 0.5 centimeter. R equals 0.5 centimeter. So you write that equals 1/3 pi into, you write pi as it is, because again here we have to find the volume of the sphere, that is also having pi. You can cancel that pi easily. R square. R square is 5 into 5 into 8 you write. Then it becomes 5 into 5 into 5 into 8 whole divided by 3. That is the volume of the cone. You write it first. Don't multiply it. So if you keep like this way, it makes easy for you. Next you take the how much water is displaced, that is 1/4 of water flows out. When the lead shots are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. So you take volume of water flows out is what? 1/4 of this volume of the cone, that is the water contained in the, because the volume of the conical vessel is nothing but the volume of the water in the vessel. So you take 1/4 5 into 5 into 5 into 8 by 3. Now it becomes 4 ones are 4 twos are. So it is 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 by 3. Consider this is second. Now what you have to find out? Find the volume of each lead shot, that is in the shape of sphere. Use the formula for the volume of the sphere and get the volume of the lead shot. So write for lead shot, what is given for lead shot? The radius is given. You write r is equals to 0.5 centimeter. Then you write volume of lead shot, that is nothing but sphere, equals what? 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. So you write 4/3 as it is, pi also as it is. R cube means that is 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So you also keep this third and don't multiply it, write it as it is. Next, here you got the volume of the water flows out, and also you got the volume of the lead shot and number of lead shots dropped. Number of lead shots dropped equals what? That is volume of the water flows out water flows out, that divided by volume of lead shot, volume of each lead shot, that is nothing but sphere, this one. Then you write volume of water flows out is this one, 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. You write 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 divided by 3 is there. Then that whole divided by volume of each lead shot, this one. So you write 4 by 3 pi into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So you can write this as by 3. Now here you take the reciprocal of this one. That becomes, you write the numerator as it is, 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 by 3 into, if you take into, you must write the reciprocal of the denominator, 3 by 4 pi into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. That equals pi cancels, 3 cancels, and 2 ones are 2 twos are, you can write. Then here if you multiply this 3, what you are going to get? 2 into 5 into 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 into 0.125, and here 5 5 is 25. Then you will get 25 by 125 twos, you will get 0.250. That equals, if you want to remove the decimal point, 3 digits are there after the decimal point, so here you put 3 zeros in front of 5 and by 250. Why you have to put 3 zeros? Here to convert, you take this 250 to the integer part. Then you will get 250, then 0 cancels, 25 ones are 25 hundreds. So how many lead shots dropped in the vessel? 100 lead shots. Hence the number of lead shots, number of lead shots dropped in the vessel is dropped in the vessel is 100. So in the vessel containing the water, 100 lead shots are dropped, and 1/4 of the volume which is in the vessel comes out. Next, let us take the 6th question. Then what is the 6th question? A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height to 20 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Use pi equals 3.14. So let us draw the figure. Consider this is the cylindrical base. Again, upper portion, it is mounted by the one more part which is in the cylindrical shape. Now we have to find the mass of the complete pole. Then what is given here? A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. If you consider this cylinder, the radius is R equals, that is 24 by 2, 12 cm, and the height is 220. Here the height is how much? 60 cm and its radius is 8 cm. 8 cm. Now let us take solution. So let us consider this is the base cylinder and it is a upper cylinder. So you take for base cylinder. For base cylinder, what is R? R equals 24 by 2. The radius is here, half of the diameter. Then you take R equals 24 by 2, that equals 12 cm. 24 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 cm. And H equals what? The height of the base cylinder, that is 220 cm. 220 cm. Then for upper cylinder, then what is R? R is equals to 8 cm and H is equals to how much? 6 cm. Here, as the radius and bases are different, let us take these two are R1, H1, these two are R2, H2. So before that, let us write the formula. That is, get the volume of pole. So write volume of pole equals what? Volume of base cylinder plus volume of upper cylinder. Then what is the volume of base cylinder? Formula to find the cylinder is pi r square h. This is also pi r square h. But here this r and h are different from this r and h. So let us take for the base cylinder they are R1, H1. So you take R1, H1. And for upper cylinder you take R2, H2. So you take R2, H2. Then you can remove only pi common. Here R1, R2 and H1, H2 are different. Then you write R1 square H1 plus R2 square H2. Then you write pi value is 22 by 7 R1. R1 is 12 square into H1 is 220 plus R2 is 8 square into H2 is 60. Then you write 22 by 7, 12 square. 12 square means 12 into 12, that is 144 into 220 plus 8 square is 8 into 8. So you write 64 into 60. 64 into 60. Then that equals 22 by 7 into, multiply these two, that is 144 into 22, 2 4 8, 2 4 8, 2, again it is 288, then 8 plus 8 16, 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry 3168, 3168 plus Here we have to take one more 0, as it is 220, becomes 0. Then 64 6 64 6 6 4s are 24, 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38, then it is 3840. That equals 22 by 7, then it is 31680 plus 3840. It becomes 8 plus 4 12, 8 plus 1 9 plus 6 15 and 5, then it is 35520. 35520, then it is. So how much you will get? Here it is given that pi is to be not 22 by 7. We have to write it as 3.14. It is said that take this pi 3.14, 3.14, 3.14. Then you multiply 3552 into 3.14. 0 is there. Then you take 400, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, plus 0 2 5 5 3. Then it is 0 300, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 8 2, 5 plus 2 plus 6, that is 13, 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, then it is, you will get 111532.8 cm cube. 111532.8 cm cube is the volume of that whole pole. You got the volume of the whole pole. Then next what we have to find out? We have to find out the mass. That is 1 cm cube weighs, the mass of the 1 cm cube is 8 gram mass. So you multiply mass of the pole equals 111532.8 into what? 8. So you multiply it. That becomes 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 26, 8 5s are 40 plus 2 42, then it becomes 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12, 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. So you will get, how much you will get? 892 2624, that is 0.4 grams. Then if it is divided by 1000, you can convert this into kg. So you write 842262.4 divided by 1000. 1000 means you take these 3 digits too. Here it is divided by 1000, then it becomes 892. Shift that 2 digits after the decimal point. 0.2624 kg. Then what is the mass of the complete pole? Mass of the pole is how much? That is 892.2624 kg. Next you take 7th one. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water. Cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. So, solid consists of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter. Standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright. So, children observe the figure. Here is a cylinder filled with water. Cylinder containing full water. In that there is a solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on the hemisphere of same radius 60 centimeter that is placed upright in the cylinder. The solid which is having the shape of cone mounted on the hemisphere, and that complete solid is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water. And we have to find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Here you know that if the cylinder is completely filled up with water, when the solid is immersed in the water, the amount of water comes out is equals to the volume of water comes out is equals to the volume of the solid which is immersed in the liquid. So, if you get the volume of the cylinder and volume of the solid by subtracting the volume of this immersed solid by the volume of the cylinder, you will get the volume of the water left out in the cylinder. So, here the water left out in the cylinder is equals to the volume of the cylinder minus volume of the solid which is having the cone surmounted on the hemisphere. For all you take solution. First you take the cylinder. Take that cylinder. The radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. So write for cylinder, that is radius R is equals to 60 centimeter and H is equals to how much? 180 centimeter. Then you get the volume of the cylinder, or otherwise generally let us take in combined form. And for cone, what is R? R is same 60 centimeter and H is 120 centimeter. For hemisphere, again the radius is same, R is equals to 60 centimeter, same here. Then here the amount of the volume of water left in the cylinder, volume of water left in the cylinder equals volume of what? Cylinder minus volume of solid placed in the placed in it. This is the volume of the, so you write here that equals what? Volume of cylinder minus volume of solid placed in it. That is volume of the cylinder minus, that becomes volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Then you write the formula for volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. In all the cases r square r are same, but the difference is h here. So you take, this is h1, this is h2. So you write this is h1, this is h2. Then you write that equals pi, you can remove common, and r is also same, is r square you can remove. In the bracket h1 minus, what is remaining? 1 by 3 h2 plus 2 by 3 r. 1 by 3 h1 plus 2 by 3 r. Then you write pi r square. What is r here? 60 square. 60 square h1. h1 is the volume of the, that is h1 is the height of the cylinder, right? 180 centimeter minus 1 by 3 h2 is, that is 120. h2 is 120 plus 2 by 3 into r is 60. Then you write pi into 60 square, 6 square is 3600, 60 square is 3600 minus, here no need of writing cm, write 180 minus 3 ones are 3 fours are, so write 40 plus 3 ones are 3 20s are, again it is 40. Then pi into 3600, then it becomes 180, 40 plus 40 minus 80. So it is pi value you can put 22 by 7 into 3600. 180 minus 80 is 100. 180 minus 80 is 100. This much of cm cube, 22 by 7 into 3600 into 100 cm cube. If you want to convert this into the m cube, here the volume is in the cm cube. Let us convert this into m cube. To convert this into m cube, what you have to do? You write the numerator as it is, 22 into 3600 into 100 by 7 you write as it is. Then to convert this into meter cube, you know that 1 meter equals 100 cm and 1 meter cube equals 100 cm whole cube, that equals 100 into 100 into 100 cm cube. So you divide it by 100 into 100 into 100, it is m cube. Then cancel this 2 0, this 2 0. Then it becomes 22 into 36 by 7 into 100 m cube. Then you multiply these two. That equals 36 into 22. 36 2s are 72 plus 72. You will get 2, 9. That is 792. And divide it by, that becomes 792 m cube by 7 into 100. Then you divide it by 7. Then you will get 792 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 0. Take this 9. 7 ones are 7. 2 is remaining. 2 2. 7 3s are 21. 1 is remaining. Put point. 0. 7 ones are 7. 3 is remaining. 7 4s you will get. So you write it is 113.14 m cube by 100. You divide it by 7, so you leave it 7. Then here, as there are 2 zeros, you shift this 132 left side. That becomes 1.1314 m cube. 1.1314 m cube. That is what? That is the volume of water left in the cylinder. So you write therefore volume of water left in the cylinder equals, you write 1.1314 m cube. Next, let us take the question number 8. That is the 8th question. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements and pi equals 3.14. So it is a spherical glass vessel, has a cylindrical neck, and its neck is 8 cm long and 2 cm in diameter. So let us consider neck length is, that is a cylindrical height, h equals 8 cm, and its radius is 2 by 2, that is 1 cm. And then what is the diameter of the sphere? The diameter of the sphere is 8.5 cm. So then its r is, radius is 8.5 by 2. 8.5 by 2. Then you write the solution. Now you write for the cylindrical neck. For cylindrical neck. Cylindrical neck. H equals 8 cm and r equals 1 cm. That is, you can write 2 by 2, 2 by 2, that equals 1 cm. Then for spherical part, only the dimension is r, that is 8.5 by 2. 8.5 by 2. Then you can write it is 8.5 by 2 is 8.5 by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then point, put 0. 225. So it becomes 4.25. 4.25. Then you write the what you have to find out here. Check whether she is correct. What is correct here? What you have to find out? By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. So you take, let us find the volume. Volume of vessel equals, then volume of vessel equals what? Volume of cylindrical part, cylindrical neck. Volume of cylindrical neck plus volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, that is volume of cylinder neck formula, you know that is pi r square h, plus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 r cube. You can remove pi common, but here r are different. So you take, for cylindrical neck the r is r1, and for spherical part r is r2 you take. So they are different. Then you can write pi into r1 square h plus 4 by 3 r2 cube. Then it is 5, write 5 only, r1. Then r1 is 1, so you write 1 square into h. H is 8 plus 4 by 3 r2. R2 is 4.25 cube. Then you write here r, what we have to take? R we have to take that 3.14. So you write 3.14. 1 square is 1. 1 into 8 plus 4 by 3 into 4.25 whole cube means, that is 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25, that equals 3.14. 1 8 is 8. 1 8 is 8. Then the product of these 4 into 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25 by 3. Then you write 3.14, 8 you write, plus 3 you write here, 4 into 4.25, that is 425 into 4, that you will get 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 7. So it becomes 17.00 means 17 into 4.25 into 4.25, that is 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, then 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21, plus next 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, then 2 4s are 8, then plus 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. So you will get, that is 5 2 6 8 plus 2 10, 180625, that is 18.0625. Now you multiply, so the product of these two becomes 18.0625. Then the product of this you get into 17. Then 7 5s are, so you take 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 6s are 42 plus 1 43, and 7 8s are 56, 5, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12, then plus 1s are means you will get 5 2 6 0 6.18. Then you will get 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 6, 10, 7, 8 plus 2, 10. So you got 307. 3070625. You can write that equals 3.14 into 8 plus 3070625. 3070625 divided by 3. Here the decimal points are 30.70625. 4 digits means you can take 307.0265. Then you divide 3607.0625 by 3. That is 3 ones are 3 and 0 means 10. 3 twos are 6. 1 point here. Then 3 threes are 9. 1 6. 3 fives are 15. 1 2. 3 fours are 12. And 5 is there. 1s. So you got 102.3541. So right. The product 3.14 into 8 plus 102.3541. Then you get the sum of these two. What is that? 102.3541 plus 8. That becomes 110.3541. So you write that equals 3.14 into 110.3541. 110.3541. Next you multiply it by 3.14. Then you will get that equals, first you multiply it by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 14. And 404 plus 1 is 4 and 44. Then again you multiply it by 1 means you will get the same 1 4 5 3 0 1 1. Then you multiply it by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. 3 threes are 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry. Then 3 zeros are 0 means 1 you write. Then 11 threes are 33. Then what is the sum? Sum is 4 7. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 1 11. 4 plus 1 5. And 4 plus 2 6. 4 3. Then here the decimal point 2 plus 4 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you write 346.511.874 you will get. And how much she got? She got that 345 cm cube. Then you can say that it is not correct. Hence she is not correct. The correct volume is 346.511874 cm cube. So right, hence she is not correct. She is not correct. The correct volume is 346.511874 cm cube. Approximately you can write that is 346.5118. You can write 512 cm cube.